Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Home Design. Today I am sharing with different amazing 40 plus bed menu design ideas for your home plans. Actually, in this video you can see that and pick the ideas, the different styles of house of the bed menu, origin purpose and the evolutions, and different types of bed menu house plans. Actually, barndominiums houses are decorating and stylish and different styles and the unique and the residences and explore in a popularity. In this video, you can see that different 40 plus evolutions of a barndominiums styles of house. Actually, the terms barndominiums and the idea of living in a burn styles home did not become popular until the third sessions of a fixer uppers. The different characteristics of a barndominium, that is purpose of a very popular and the uniqueness is that the burn house plans are one of our most creative and the inspirations house styles, closely related to the architecture's characteristics of one of the most popular house styles this industry has ever known. The modern farmhouse barndominiums continues to gain the popularity. The uniqueness of the barnhouse plans is very amazing, and the barndominiums comes in all sizes available. If you like this video, you can subscribe my channel and share and comment it. Actually, the barndominiums sizes of our houses plan range to suit the homeowner's needs. You can see that different smallest barndos runs just under the 1200 square feet for those looking for a light footprint. Our biggest barndos reach up on the 4,913 square feet. Our top 30 plus and the barndominiums floors plans. You can see that different amazing floors and a roof. One of our newest additions to the barndominiums plans collection is the plans. The ultra modern dwellings and the large windows surrounding this a unique house plan, welcoming the plenty of the natural lights with its black exterior. These the three bedrooms plans features. You can see that different amazing things and the brando and the drapings with the sophistications ideas. You can see that these brandos combine the different material also enhancing the beauty. Thank you for